All right, guys, we're getting to do an oil change on the 2024 Kia K5. So I gotta get a screwdriver to pop this thing off, start off. Because it has some plastic clips underneath. I jacked the car up. I got a pony on there just in case, God forbid it falls. You don't want to be crushed underneath this car. So we're gonna go down here. You gotta start by popping off some of these plastic clips down here. Just pop. They should pop up easy. It's brand new. They're new, so they should be seasoned. Hopefully. This one popped off, and then how they get the rest of the way out, but I'm sure they make a tool for this. There we go. All right, that came out pretty good. So that's an oil filter right there. It's gonna be, it's not gonna be a regular oil filter. This is gonna be one of those cartridges they got put in. So that's gonna be fun. And then same thing for the actual oil spout itself is right here. That's this plastic cover. Kind of hard to show you guys exactly because it's a little tight underneath here. So you guys will just be watching me pop this off here. And then we got our thing right there. So that looks like a nice 15, I think. 17, yep. So that's a 17 there. We'll loosen up real quick, and then I'm gonna loosen up. I could get the tray underneath here to leak it out. All right, let that leak into there. Hopefully I showed that in the video. Hopefully they got it. You know, it's part of the job. It's always the extra things with the job that. So these plastic clips are supposed to be really easy. Problem is, listen, it's freaking cold out, so yeah, plastic clips do not work well in cold, to be honest. That's no brainer, but they make it so much more difficult because I'll never choose work in the cold unless I'm like doing something like real labor work, not this type of labor work. I think just one of these screws would have been good, sufficient, but and once again, don't mess around. It's only holding a little plastic cover on it. All right, we're gonna move over to here now. All right, let's see if these work better. Oh boy. All right, yep, it just pulls straight out. You line that up with there's like little slits. You line it up, and that's how you get that out. You let that drain. Let that drain the filter out, so it's a little less messier when you take that apart. All right. 24, all right. I would like to have serious talk with people who over tighten these stupid oil filter things, because they're only making it worse for people. All right. Oh God, leaking more. Okay. All right. Let's go out here. All right. So as I say, this has a cartridge, not a regular oil thing. So, sure or what? There you go. Yeah, just pull right out. Comes right out. There's that oil filter. Just leave that right there. Let me put this down. Actually, what we're gonna do, we're gonna put that pin back in. because what the, oh my god, you know what I hate about working in freaking on the outside like this, not a garage? It's freaking getting dirt over where dirt should not be getting. I think that's my most pet peeve thing, is dealing with that, because there's things that dirt can't get into. It can cause issues. Now, dirt in this situation would be bad, no, but there's definitely things that should not get certain things in them, and this is one of those things that you don't want any chance of anything. Just wiping this off one more time. Like I said, these filters are never easy. These filters are always a pain in the ass. I don't like them. Sadly, some cars come with them and you just gotta deal with it, you know? Sadly, sadly, sadly. Now, if you want, you could probably put a little oil in this, which I'm probably gonna do actually. All right, I put some oil in it. It took about 1/4 of a quart. Now we're gonna screw this thing right on up. Hopefully. Start tightening it up there. Alright, just like I said, just a couple clicks, that's it. Alright, now I'm moving to the top here. I'm gonna put the oil in. This is, I believe, 5 1/4 quarts. This is a 1.6 liter engine, so, okay. Got that off. I don't have a funnel, sadly, but I'll make it work. All right, I'm gonna try and get a funnel for this. I don't want to make a total mess of this thing, so I'm gonna try and get a funnel. So this is 5 quarts right here, I believe. Yeah, 5 quarts. Okay, so there's one time. All right, about 5 quarts. It's on a slant, so it's not gonna be like the total level, but they see where it's at. Perfect. All right, a little bit above full. The oil filter needs to be filled up a little bit, so that little bit should actually equalize to that. So we're gonna start the engine up and we're gonna see if it leaks underneath here as well. Well, if there would have been a leak, it would have happened now, but I'll let it sit like this for a minute. All right, check the oil right here. Pull it out. Right on the full mark, like I said. So this job is all finished up now, thankfully. Probably took about a freaking hour because maybe you don't know. So until time this job probably only take you a half hour. With like, you know, doing it the first time, probably take you 45 minutes to an hour just because, you know, getting used to like different filters and different things like that. Kind of took me probably an hour. I'm not used to doing those filters, so, you know, and every time you do one of those filters, it's kind of new on every car you do it on. Sometimes it'll be a little different, sometimes it'll be more pain in the ass, sometimes it'll be more whatever it is. But listen, I hope that helped you guys out a little bit if you're watching this for how to change the oil. You're just going along with the channel, following along with the channel. You just watch it to watch, you know, what's working in the yard and stuff like that. So, but if it helped out, please leave a like on this video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more content. Do what it takes for all dreams, do them in your way. I'll see you guys next one.